Penang. Okay, we finally made it to the national park in Penang, and you can take a bus here, 101 or 102. Comes right to the entrance, costs you about, I don't know, 3 ringgit, depending on where you start. Not that highly recommended considering how it's a rough ride it is. It'll take about an hour. So if you've 4 people, take a grab. Do yourself a favor.
Let's fly.
Okay, so we are at the end of July 2019 right now. There's 2 trails you can do from the start. One is to the called Monkey Beach, the other one is to Turtle Beach, but apparently the trail to Monkey Beach is closed. So if you want to get there, you have to take a boat.
That's what they tell us anyway.
I've heard people do take the trail there and it's a bit in disrepair, but apparently it's not officially open. You can take a boat from here. I think you can get a whole boat for up to 8 people for like 100 ringgit. Or if you're 2 people, it'll be the same price. What we're going to do is we're going to take the hike to the Turtle Beach area. There's a turtle sanctuary there, it's known as Turtle Beach. It's also a magnetic lake, which is a lake with fresh and salt water layers. And
sorry, there's a fly.
we'll see whether we can just get a boat from there back to the main pier. If not, we'll just hike back. We'll check out the jungle. Cloud is coming in, but I don't think they're forecasting any rain.
And we've got our permit, we've registered at the information office, so they know we're hiking. So we're all good to go.
Yeah, I think we should hit the road, eh? Right, good to go.
And I've got my ice cream, so I'm feeling better.
Well, as you can see, the trail starts out lovely, paved, flat, it's beautiful. I will guess it's not going to stay like this.
Yeah, we're almost all on our own. We arrived with a group of other youngsters who have headed off before us. And now we're walking this path all on our own.
So far so good. Look at how beautiful this little
nice
path
and
is.
shady too.
Yeah, I think we're going to get to sweaty weather soon.
Oh, I'm sure.
But we've been training hard for the last month in preparation for this excursion.
And we've been waiting for the sunny day so we can have good weather.
But I'm grateful for the shade, that's for sure.
Yes.
Alright, check out this spot. Nice. Suddenly it looks a little bit more exciting. What do you say, Lisa? Look at this. That looks more like it.
This is more mountain hiking.
Alright, sweaty weather is starting. It's barely 5 minutes in and it's becoming a lot more interesting. Now they do say you shouldn't try this if you're unfit or ill, and I understand why. So steps in. This is the path that's apparently not closed.
Oh, that's bad one.
Let's see. Well, I smell citronella. Yeah, we're making some good progress. It's actually not that hard a trail here, and there's a few steps, some washouts, some roots. The heat is obviously a factor, but it's shaded most of the way. So far so good. Bukit Batu Hitam Trail. I think we're sort of in the last stretch of our climb. It's going downhill here, and quite steep at that, but feels like it's getting warmer, oddly enough, as well. But I think we're making progress. The bad news is we won't be able to swim. No swimming allowed. There's a bit of a cliff or a drop off, and the waves crash quite big on the beach. It's not safe. If you want to swim, you have to go to Monkey Beach, but apparently it's quite dirty there as well. like this whole coast. It's part of the Malacca Strait, and if it's not enough, there's also sightings of box jellyfish.
Ew.
All right, what's it, an hour and a half, roughly? Ooh. And we made it to Matic Lake, so behind us, this is actually the beach. Right here, check it out. Woo. It's like windy here.
Wow.
How did it cool down? Anyway, let's talk about this lake. This lake here is very unique in the way it works.
Is this it?
This is it.
Okay, why did I expect something a little bit bigger?
No, this is it. So what happens is that seawater comes in from this side, but there's also fresh water coming in from the forest and the mountain, and they meet in between, but they don't actually mix. So you get a dual layer effect, and that's called menometic. Maybe there's a story here. Let's go see if there's a story about it. It doesn't exactly make for good filming or storytelling, but there's something special about the lake.
Made it to Pantai Keracut.
Keracut, yeah.
Pantai Keracut.
No, it was quite a walk. I guess it took us about an hour and a half. We didn't stop much.
Yeah, a couple of photos here and there. It was a fairly easy trail, but the heat really gets you. Man, sweaty, sweaty, sweaty.
It's a little bit humid. It's not so bad. Actually, oddly enough, as you exit this jungle, then the heat here towards the beach hits you. And luckily, it's a bit of a breeze. Unfortunately, it's quite a strong wind here.
It's quite unpredictable. It really comes and goes.
Yep.
It's pretty windy here.
And there's quite a lot of people around as well.
It's quite a pretty beach in the sense of it's a long sand stretch, but it's really sad that you can't swim. For me, there's not much point to a beach if you can't really dip your toes in the water. And not only that, but it's also too hot that you don't really want to lie in the sun.
No, you're actually grateful for the little cloud cover, but the skies come and go, and it's beautiful.
It's a lovely day, and it's very, very pretty.
Swing around so you can see what it looks like around us.
Luckily, we brought some snacks because there's nowhere here to buy food.
No.
Keep that in mind if you're coming out this way. Bring a little picnic.
Once you're here, you have some options. Obviously, if you pre-booked a boat back towards the main jetty or then to Monkey Beach, you should have done that before you entered the park. But you could hop on a boat here, and depending on how many people there on the boat, they could charge you accordingly. It could be as little as 10 ringgit per person. We'll still consider options. If we can get a cheapish ride for 10 ringgit, we'll probably do that. Otherwise, we'll hike back.
Whereas if you booked the boat beforehand, you said it was 50 a person or 100
No,
for the
you
boat,
pay for the boat.
Yeah,
you pay for the boat. So it's 100 for the boat. But I think that's only to Monkey Beach. So if you come all the way out here, it could be more expensive. So very much dependent. So you want a return ride here, it's going to be probably about 300 for the boat. Alright, we're going to go check out the turtle sanctuary.
Yes, I want to go see the turtles.
Alright.
That's actually why we're here.
Yeah, that's what we get.
Turtles.
Yeah, there's a turtle sanctuary. So there's not that many turtles here. There's a few babies. So I think there's the mommy of the babies are kept here. And then there's one guy who got caught with a boat propeller.
The one guy got hit and injured with a boat propeller, and the other one got caught in fisherman's
net. And they also found that the big one had plastic, ingested plastic.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what they do now. This beach is apparently known for turtles coming to lay eggs here.
If you come at the right time of the year, you can actually see that on the beach. But right now, definitely the biggest attraction here is the little baby turtles.
The babies.
They are adorable. They're honestly
cute.
only this big. They are so cute.
They're like less than 2 months old, I think. Yeah. Alright, well that's the turtle sanctuary. I think we're going to try and find a boat here and then make our back to the main jetty. We're going to skip Monkey Beach. It's either that or 1.5 hour trek back to the jungle.
I think I'm quite keen on the boat.
Let's go see where our boat goes.
See if we can find a boat. guys are real salesmen, the boat guys. But I can't remember, what was the starting price that he started
35.
at? We got him down to 20 a person.
But
to
more
come all the way
famous.
past Monkey Beach to the entrance.
National Park. And
Back at the National Park.
yeah, we're back. Phew, okay.
Nice little boat ride.
Oh, we cleaned up and we're gonna walk around here a little bit and probably catch a bus towards Long Beach and Monteveringi. Maybe grab something to eat. The clouds coming in, so it doesn't look like much of a sunset, but you never know.
Yeah, let's go to Long Beach Cafe, have a bite to eat.
Oh, anyway, so that was great. National Park. It's a nice little
Beautiful
outing.
park.
Be prepared to sweat a bit. If you don't want to sweat at all, you could probably negotiate a boat to Monkey Beach right from the entrance here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
For 10 ringgit or so, I think, per person. And then they'll pick you up again there for 10 ringgit later, I guess. So that
Definitely
could
the easy
be
way.
nice enough way to just see the park a bit and hang out there. But I do recommend hiking into this jungle. It's incredible.
Oh, it was a lovely hike, I must say.
Fair-
It's nice and shady most of the way.
Phenomenal. The one-way hike works a bit better for us.
What can we say? We're lazy buggers.
Yeah. All right, let's go. I think we're a bit early at Long Beach Cafe.
We made it to Long Beach and we forced them to open the doors.
No, it's 6 o'clock and I think they only open at 6, but it's cloudy outside and there's not much of a sunset. It's only an hour and a half, so we thought we'd come for a drink and maybe something to eat.
yeah. For a change, I got a lychee juice.
Yeah, so we're going to wait until everybody sort of gets going here and maybe try a few drinks to eat. Cool. Hainanese vegetable spring roll. I don't know what a Hainanese roll is. Oh, it's quite
It
crispy.
looks nice and crispy.
Yeah.
I think, in
The
with my
sauce
fingers,
looks delicious.
that's very red.
Good, a little bit.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Super crispy.
Very crispy, very tasty, not spicy at all, but very
There's
flavorful.
nice sweetness to it. Maybe it's like
Definitely a sweetness.
what kinds of weird
Wow,
veggies
it's
they
like
put in
cabbage,
here. It's
definitely.
plain vegetarian.
How's the sauce?
Hot.
Spicy.
Big roll. It's like quite chunky. Nice to share. And it's 4 ringgit a pop. Sure. Okay, that's
Yummy.
hot. So the bad news is for Lisa that
I just licked the spoon of this
chicken
chicken
curry
curry.
is a little
Mild
bit-
chicken curry.
it's a little bit spicy apparently, but we'll see. It's a little martabak here, chicken murtabak. It's very much like a roti that's folded and then they fill it with, I don't know, chicken and vegetables, and then this is just a roti canai with
Luckily, I'm
chicken curry.
Ruti Kanai with
These
my
were
curry.
6 each.
No, the 6 and 7.
6 and 7 ringgit each. So you want to try that?
This one's not spicy. It's pretty good.
Try the sauce though.
It's too hot.
Okay. Oops.
That's gonna be messy. I'll have a piece of Ruti Kanai now.
I just want to point out that I wanted to go Chinese tonight, and Lisa said, no, Indian, I want
Oh, it was
Indian
Ruti
food.
Kanai. I can't say no to Ruti
I
Kanai.
want rotis and martabak, and I said, ooh, gonna be sorry. Alright,
Well,
well,
that was a good dinner at Long Beach Cafe.
that was pretty decent, but hell, the day has gotten long, eh?
Now we're going home without pudding.
Yeah, we couldn't find any sweet stuff. Oh, is this our bus?
This is our, yes, it's our bar.
Wait for the bus, we're running out of the energy. It's 8:30, so it's actually quite early, but we've been out all day. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. And
Give us a like.
give us a like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see more. We've been out for 4 weeks, so there's a bunch of videos coming out. And we'll see you next time.
And if you're in the area, definitely come visit the Penang National Park. Well worth a visit.
Yeah, good stuff. Cheers.